Hello everyone, welcome to 1488 El Camino, Unit 207. Come on in. We're just walking right into the living room and kitchen area right here. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment right off El Camino, right across the street from the BART station. All right, so let me switch things around so you can get a bird's eye view or direct view of the property. So we have a beautiful kitchen. They're just soft closed cabinets. All the cabinets have just been painted, stainless appliances, gas range, and microwave. Nice hooded vent. I believe that's a brand new hood, and of course a dishwasher. Tile floors here, and then on this side, these are brand new luxury vinyl flooring. And this is a pretty spacious room right here. Double pane windows. And so you can have a little dining room area right here. So you have a little chandelier. And then you can have, you have ample room for putting a TV on the wall here. And then having your couch and sofa, love seat if you wish, over here. One of the best parts of this property is that it's in a protected community. And you can see out the window here, right there, at the lower ground, that's the gym in the community room. So it's just, there's some nice equipment there for you to enjoy in that community room if you want to have friends over and watch a game or something like that. Nice balcony here that is exclusive to your unit. Let's just get a view looking around here. Lots of three-prong outlets. Let's go into the second bedroom first. Carpeted floor, tall ceilings, window treatments throughout. Nice thing about each of the bedrooms is they each have ample closet space. So you have lots of closet space here. And this one has a washer and dryer. Now, so this is a good, depending on your configuration, this is a good room for an office as well. Here's a little countertop here. And then this extends into the bathroom. Everything's sparkling clean. It's just really nice. The owners have taken a great deal of care in putting this all together. And then this extends back out into the kitchen area. So that's a great guest room or guest bathroom as you have company over as well. All right, let's go into what would be considered the master bedroom. This is a very sizable room. Window treatments as well. Lots of three-prong outlets. This has the advantage of having a double closet. So on each side there's a closet. And some customization, so you can have shelving. You have shelving, and then here you have a double vanity shower with seating, and then here you have a separate toilet behind the closed door. It makes it nice to keep privacy. Whoa! All right, so going back out, you can see again the closet space here. And the carpet's really nice. It feels really soft under your feet as you walk through. So again, here's the living room kitchen area. I appreciate you watching. I have to say that there's a great deal of outdoor space along with this property. There's a big lawn for you to enjoy, the community clubhouse, and of course there's underground parking for your car, and there's parking for guests, which is really nice if you have people visiting. And just around the corner, like I said, across the street is the BART station, so if you commute into the city or into the East Bay, it makes it super convenient. And then there's lots of the stores, Target, Costco is right around this, right up this road. Quick access to the highway as well. So if you'd like to see this property, we'd be happy to show it to you. Just give us a call or use the links below to access the site. Ann and I are showing the property, and we look forward to meeting and sharing this with you. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Hey all, I'm again at 1488 El Camino. Just wanted to show you some of the outdoor area. This is one of the courtyards. Again, this is protected behind a big metal fence, so it definitely feels very, very secure here and very pleasant. I want to point to where your unit is. It's right the corner unit up there. Let's just kind of keep walking through. So these are four levels. Here you have a nice fountain, and again, just turning around, this is the unit right behind me. So you got a really nice view of not only this side of the courtyard, but as we turn the corner, all of this down here. So stand by, we're going to be showing you other parts as well. All right, bye. Hello, 1488 El Camino here, and this is Eric. Hey, I'm in the gym area right now, and I just wanted to share some of the equipment as we went around. So you have a treadmill here, you have an elliptical trainer, and then you have a strength machine here, a Tough Stuff Fitness, and you can see it's shoulders, chest, back, everything can be done with this one machine. These all-in-ones are really great because you can absolutely work out a good part of your body with that. And then we have a bench that you can take advantage of a pretty healthy stack of weights here. So it goes up to, if you're strong, 50 pounds, and of course there's the smaller ones too, if you're looking for increased reps. And here, really pleasant feeling in here, and this is very much available to you as a resident of the property. All right, thanks for watching. Hello, this is Eric with showcasing 1488 El Camino. Showing you the community room now. One of the most wonderful things about the community living and being in a condominium complex like this is the community room. This has a capacity for 47 people, so if you are looking to entertain, have a big group of friends or family to visit, this is the place to do it. Nice couch seating, great place for a TV. You can put a TV up here with cable, and then bar seating, and then a big giant refrigerator and sink, and looks like that's a steamer that you can, in a microwave. So you can prepare all the food right here, serve it, and then just have a wonderful outing. Now this extends out into the common area, so it's easy, and there's bathrooms right here and water fountains. So if we go back out, as you can see, this extends out into this little protected area right here. Part of the patio extends all the way out to the fountain, and then there's that's your unit up there again. Okay, let me show you the grassy area next. All right, so we've seen the community room, the weight room, fitness room, and of course the beautiful property. Now, I have to say, this is, I'm a nature lover myself, this is one of my favorite parts about this property. It's this wonderful walk, and then the huge green area that you get to enjoy as part of the property. So this is all natural grass, and then you have a big barbecue area right here, and then sitting areas for you to enjoy, the hamburgers, hot dogs, or grilled corn, or whatever you're having here. And then this great big lawn area. So if you're playing Frisbee or just running around with family, friends, playing games, it's just really fantastic. So again, this is all yours when you lease our property here at 1488 El Camino.
Beautiful property, wonderful landlords. We've gotten rave reviews about these landlords who manage the property, and of course, the grounds are just stunning. So, if you're interested, give us a call. We'd love to show you this in person, give you a tour, and see if you love it as much as we do. All right, cheers. Bye bye.